Lunch for today is nasi lemak. Ayo, lucky teacher. Sometimes I forgot, and then I talk again. One more. I need to put one minute. Nasi lemak. The sambal put later when they come, the children. And then after that, cover, wait until the children come. Ayan. Okay. Okay, teacher. I did it on again. Chakoy and porridge. Dan ito ang lunch for today. Mihon curry. Yan ang mulalagay. Mamaya na yung sauce, yung sabaw. Dito na yung mga bata. Wala pa eh. Kaya yan lang muna ang nakalagay dyan, guys. Ayan o. Mihon and fishball. Tapos, ang sauce niyan ay curry sauce, Pakita ko sa inyo yung curry. Yung sabaw. Mamaya na yan i-mix pag nandito na yung mga bata. Wala pa kasi yung mga bata. Pag nilagay mo agad yun, ano ba? Ma-absorb ng sabaw ang mihon. Hindi na yun maganda. Kaya kailangan pag nandito na sila. After nito, takpan siya, guys. Tapos, hintayin yung mga bata. Kaya ayan, guys, ang mihon. Ay, curry. Ang sabaw ng curry. Para doon sa bihon. Mamaya yan lalagyan pag dumating na yung mga estudyante. Wala pa kasi sila. Muted siya. I'm making video again. This.
I talk to you whenever you making video.
Huh?
I talk to you whenever you making video.
Yes, always, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, every day, teacher, I need this. Because if no, cannot,
Kakak no soup
Teacher, soup is here. Yeah? You want the fishball?
Fishball got
There, BG. Okay, you put the BG and fishball there.
Okay, I take picture
Okay na, I put I see your... Ayan. Ayan, guys, oh. Mihon. Put soup. Curry mihon.
Yes, kakak cook very nice.
Thank you, teacher. And then, teacher, you put the BG.
Okay.
The one, guys. Teacher, the one eat BG. Ayan, okay, thank you. Takpan na natin isa-isa, guys. Ayan, guys, ha. Ayan, guys, ha. Takpan natin yan. Takpan ko isa-isa. Tapos mamaya yan lagyan ng sabaw or soup ng curry. Ayan, guys. Who's that?
No, no, the
Alarm?
no, no.
Ayan na, tinakpang ko na. Tapos ngayon, nalagyan ko yan ng nalagay ko yung tinidor. Kasi iba-iba yan, guys. Kailangan ka kabisaduhin ko ang ano. Iba-iba yung may-ari ng tinidor. Sabihin ko yan kasi kanya-kanya sila ng dala simula nung nag-COVID. Ito na. Yung isa ay kay Evelyn. Tapos yung isa kaya na guys, ready na ang pagkain ng mga estudyante. Mamaya pagdating nila, kung sino ang kakain, saka ko lalagyan ng curry soup. Lunch for today ay mihon curry soup. Mihon curry. Mihon curry. Ayan guys. Ayan guys, thank you. Sana magustuhan nyo. Manood kayo ng video ni Manang Inday Hero Vlogs. Thank you, thank you. Bye. Love you all. Salamat, salamat.